The garbage can had the best in the whole wide world.
Everything is big.
Goodbye, garbage can.
Then we sprinkle.
Here we are.
And there you go.
Yeah,
Good
another
job,
day.
Piggy. Now our flower will
This book is called Where is it?
Go give her that. I think you say you give her for sitting in your hand. Actually, you don't give us it.
What's wrong, Iggy? Flower not growing. It takes time for a flower to grow. It won't grow right away. Iggy really want to grow a flower.
I have another idea.
Maybe
Maybe she could the good God. Where that?
Yay! Okay,
Yay.
let's put in the ground. Now.
Wow, it's a red flower. You're the shovel.
Now, water.
Wow.
Water. Now it's time for me to
You're done.
There is only one. I love you, Eggies and Roses.
I love you too, Iggy. Crystal, me today.
Achoo! Hi! Achoo! There. Hey! Achoo!
ready to take all this art stuff out?
I. Yeah. I sneeze again.
Because it's the first day of spring. The flowers are blooming,
Achoo!
leaves are rustling,
I think I have, and then.
all the cool nature I find.
Well, just come out and come back.
Achoo! I think I have a bad sneezing.
Okay. Now I
That's
think
the
the
final
best
time
way to
I
find
was
nature
reading
is
mine.
to love
Everyone say,
and
Then
smell.
special day.
I'm a phone with
Grow. Then.
Perfect.
Perfectly. Oh, I have a sneeze. Hi. Achoo. There. Hey. Achoo. Here. I sneeze again.
Spring, it brings out pollen
Achoo.
that makes me
I think I have an
sneeze.
achoo. I think I have a bad sneezing. Achoo. He sneezes. Achoo. Excuse me. You got them.
This isn't gonna work.
Maybe they could take them off.
You should really stay inside.
Excuse me. I will be right back for more Nick Jordan video. Da, da, da. Ow, wow. I'll be right back. Is that side Yuki? Maybe it's a good idea. And the rest there. I wonder what he needs next. I know.
No?
That's your TV. This is your TV. You're gonna take it away from him. He's watching that. Go watch your own TV.
Maybe you should find next. Maybe it's